Good morning to my vlog. I'm Aliana T. the spoiled daughter of Uncle Henry. Char. Hi, Uncle. So, dito ako ngayon sa Bios. Kakagaling ko lang sa school. Mag-isa lang ako. So, napag-isipan ko na gumawa na ako ng video greet for you kasi wala yung mga chararat dito sa Bios. Char. Char. Happy birthday, Uncle. I missed you. Sana bumalik ka na po dito. Bumalik na po kayo dito ni Tito Pidoy. Kasi miss na miss ko na po kayong dalawa. Sana po. Madali na yung August para nandito na po kayo. Ay, October pala po. October. Happy birthday, Ma. From your beautiful daughter. I love you. I love you so much. Love you.
So hello, good afternoon everyone. So I'm here to greet Tito Henry a happy birthday. Thank you so much for your love, for your kindness. Mag-ingat lang kayo lagi dyan and I can't wait to see you both. I can't wait na makauwi kayo at panoorin natin ang The Conjuring ng sabay-sabay tayong matakot. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Henry. Sabi ni mama mo, bumili daw ng pansiton. Yan ang sabi niya. Happy birthday, ingat palagi dyan sa trabaho mo. Kailan kayo uwi dito? At maraming salamat sa lahat. Yun lang masabi ko. Thank you. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Henry.
Ano sasabihin
Sana
mo?
maghaba ang buhay mo.
Oh,
Happy birthday, Henry.
ano pa? Ka na. Asawa na yan. Ang asawa ganyan si si Pidoy. Basta ingat palagi. Yan. At maraming salamat. God bless. Yan. I love you daw, sabi ni mama mo. Yan. Ikaw ba?
Happy birthday. Ingat lagi.
Ilang taong ka na, boy?
Oh, ilan taon ka na daw. Oh, sige.
Hey, boy.
Ano sabihin mo pa?
Magtoy-toy ka, boy, ha? Magmabait. Ha?
Oh. Yan. Ano pa sasabihin mo kay Henry? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to
Okay.
you, Henry.
Oh.
Mana?
Banana cute. Chicken, banana.
Chicken, sarpa!
Tama na.
Hi, Mi. Happy birthday. So, I miss you so much. Sana makauwi na kayo dito soon. And yeah, I wish you na good health lang po kayo dyan palagi. And ingat lang po kayo palagi, lalo na sa work nyo. And yun, I wish you all the best. And happy birthday. And Mama, I love you. I love you too so much. Love you.
Happy birthday!
2023.
Hello to the person who hosted my first org and got me addicted to Survivor and similar shows. Sa kamarites ko pagdating sa work and other chika. And lalo na sa nag-promise na aakyat kami sa hanging bridge sa Cloud9 pagdating niya ulit, pagbisita niya ulit sa Antipolo. Happy birthday and may you have more birthdays to come.
Okay. Hi, Henry nak. Happy birthday. So, yun. Wish ko lang sana lagi kang masaya at malusog lagi. Bawal magkasakit. Tsaka lagi kang mag-iingat everyday, lalo na kung papasok ka sa work. Yun lang. Tsaka, alam mo na, 25 years. My gosh. Parang kailan lang. Okay. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Love you.
Okay, if you're seeing this, it's the 23rd of August. So, I just want to greet my best friend and my favorite barista a happy birthday. More blessings to come, more birthdays to come, more Inuman sessions, rant sessions, chismis sessions, and hopefully our book club. Hello. Again, I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your day today, and I'll see you guys later.